Hello, dear listeners, we are doing Unit 3 Limits of Mind, and today I will explain the next exercise of this lesson, which is given on page number 90. Here I will explain exercise A9. Drona was speechless. In the word speechless, less is suffixes. So ये जो word है speechless, इसमें जो less है वो क्या है, suffixes है, which has been added to the word speech, जिसे कि वर्ड स्पीच के साथ ऐड कर दिया गया टू मेक अ न्यू वर्ड, जिसने कि एक नया वर्ड फॉर्म करा है. ठीक है. नाउ व्हाट इज फिक्सिस? सफिक्स इज अ लेटर और ग्रुप ऑफ लेटर ऐड टू द एंड ऑफ द वर्ड टू मेक अनदर वर्ड. तो सफिक्स क्या होता है? लेटर होते हैं और ग्रुप ऑफ लेटर होते हैं जो कि एक किसी दूसरे वर्ड के जो में ऐड किए जाते हैं एंड में, और क्या करते हैं, एक नया वर्ड बनाते हैं. सो आपको मैंने यहाँ पर फर्स्ट में एक्टिविटी करने के लिए दी थी कि चैप्टर से आपको 5 वर्ड ढूंढने हैं. ठीक है. जो किसके साथ एंडेड हो, लेस वर्ड के साथ एंडेड हो, बट क्या है, ऐसे वर्ड को नहीं लिखना है जो कि एंडेड इन ईडी एंड आईएनजी. ठीक है. जिनके लास्ट में ईडी लिखा हो या आईएनजी लिखा हो. तो होप यू हैव डन इट. आपने कर दिए होंगे. नाउ आई विल एक्सप्लेन द नेक्स्ट पार्ट ऑफ दिस एक्सरसाइज. एक्सरसाइज A2. Add the suffix less to the following words and use the newly formed word appropriately in the blank below. तो जो वर्ड्स दिएगी उनके साथ हमें लेस जो है ऐड कर नया वर्ड बनाना है और जो सेंटेंस है उन्हें कंप्लीट करना है. तो फर्स्ट इज महात्मा गांधी इज रिमेंबर्ड फॉर हिज डैश सर्विसेज टू द नेशन. So Mahatma Gandhi is remembered for his selfless service to the nation. Second one is, after half an hour writing, the children start feeling dash. So after half an hour writing, the children start feeling tireless. Next is, Rahul felt dash when he saw his house on fire. So Rahul felt helpless. Next one is, he seems to think that I have and dash supply of money. He seems to think that I have endless. Okay? Endless supply of the money. E. The dash efforts of the construction staff help in the completion of the bridge before time. The restless efforts of the construction staff helped in the completion of the bridge before time. F. The bird's body appeared to be dashed but a little water revived it. The bird body appeared to be lifeless but a little water revived it. So here I have complete exercise A9. Now I will explain the next exercise. Match the followings. Match the proverbs in the column A with their meaning of column B. So number 1, all that glitter is not gold. The right answer is, all that look good may not always be good. Second one is, birds of the feather flock together. The meaning of this proverb is, the people of the same character get along well and like to stay together. Next one is, cut your coat according to your cloth. The meaning of this proverb is, act according to your financial capabilities. Next one is, don't cross the bridge till you come to it. The meaning of this proverb is, do not worry about difficulty till they arise. The last one is, every cloud has a silver lining. The meaning of this proverb is, even the worst situations has come hope and goodness. Now I will explain the next section of Unit 3, Section B. Here I will explain Section B4. Match the phrases given in a column A and with meaning in the column B. So यहाँ पे कुछ phrases दिए गए हैं, उनके सब में मैच करना है. First one is, heap of care. The meaning of this phrase is, to love, to be carefree and happy. Next one is, keep pursuing, to keep doing. Okay, the meaning of keep pursuing is to keep doing. Next one is, third one is, see it through, means to not to give up a task until finished. Next one is like to idle. The meaning of this phrase is only talking and blaming. Fifth one is hewing. Hewing means carving out and making. Next, sixth one is you are sitting and seeing. The meaning of this, lots of worries. The next exercise of section B is B6. Have you received the following letter from your friend who has been very upset lately because of some problem at home? So ये आपको लेटर यहाँ ऑलरेडी लिखा गया है, बट जो आपने लर्न करना है वो लेटर क्या है, नीचे दिया हुआ. B7. Now write a letter of your friend encouraging her to be calm and cool, and also give her some tip to tackle the problem at home. You can use the tip given below. तो आपको टिप्स नहीं मिलेंगे, ठीक है, आपको सीधा डायरेक्ट ही लेटर लिखना होगा वहाँ पर, विच आई एम गोइंग टू एक्सप्लेन यू हियर. एग्जामिनेशन हॉल, नाहन. डेट, जो डेट होगी आपने उस दिन की लिखनी है, ठीक है. डियर फ्रेंड, हाउ आर यू? आई होप यू आर डूइंग गुड. Thank you for writing it would be my privilege if I can give you any advice. I feel sad for your mother and suggest you that your mother should be admitted in a hospital for better care and treatment. You should work according to a schedule for better time management, and an extra domestic help can be arranged. You should drop unnecessary chores from daily routines. Hope my advice will work out for you for speedy recovery of your mother. Your loving, जो भी आपका नाम होगा वो लिखेंगे यहाँ पर आप, ठीक है. So here I have explained exercise B7. Now I will explain section C. Section C, part C2. Give below a description of some people who, in spite of their physical limitation, made it big in the world. Choose the name of the famous personality from the box and write in against their descriptions. क्योंकि मैं आपको पहले एक्सप्लेन कर चुकी हूँ, तो सिर्फ मैं यहाँ पर आपको एक बार बताने वाली हूँ कहाँ पर कौन सा पर्सनैलिटी का नेम आएगा, ठीक है. नंबर 1, अ साइंटिस्ट who cannot speak and is restricted to the wheelchair but has given amazing theory to the world. The name of this scientist is Stephen Hawking. Okay. Next one is a German music composer who was born deaf but created beautiful composition. The name of the person is Ludwig van Beethoven. Next is third one, the USA president who suffered from polio. The name of the person is Franklin D. Roosevelt. Next one is the classic dancer who lost her leg in a car accident but continued dancing with an artificial leg, and the name of the personality is Sudha Chandran. Next one is a blind genius who developed the braille for visual challenged people to enable them to read. So name of the person is Louis Braille. Next one is a dynamic cricketer who suffered from diabetes but never let it affect his performance. The name of the person is Wasim Akram. So dear student, that's all for the day. what will you do? You will revise all this exercise for your exam. Tomorrow I will discuss the next exercise of this section C. Thank you and have a nice day.